If you're selling Pokemon cards and whatnot and you're not getting sales, it might be because of this. And we're going to get right down into it and explain it in this video. And if you need any help afterwards, leave some comments down below. So, there are types of cards that I see people trying to sell all the time, where it's energy cards, random hollows, reverse hollows, bulk, random just common cards. You can see right here, like this Oddish. And the truth is, they just don't move. They just don't move. Like this. See? Not because it's worthless, but because it just doesn't sell. Whatnot, people are not trying to buy bulk per se sometimes on Whatnot. Most of the time, if you want to buy bulk, you're going to go to eBay or something like that. They're there for hits, value, and excitement. People want cards. Cards like this that I'm explaining, like clay Pokemon, for example. This is one of the fine examples of a common card that actually does sell sometimes because it's a clay Pokemon. Same thing with this. This is a regular reverse hollow Charmander, but it's iconic because it's Charmander. And Charmander, we know, sells. Of course, something like the Genesect, did I just pronounce that correctly? That hollow doesn't really sell. The Charmander, for example, though, might, or if you paired these two together, there's a slight chance you might get it. Again, less bulk, more excitement. That's when I kind of get into here. And that's why people leave your stream and momentum drops. You need cards like this over here on my left that I'm showing now. Or really fine example here is cards like this. This Umbreon promo, for example, this would sell almost instantaneously. I would honestly argue with you on anybody's Whatnot. Same thing with the UPC, 151 promo, or this might have been Scarlet Violet promo for the Mewtwo, and none other than the Mimikyu promo, Pokemon Center stamped. You would have no issue selling this, even if it was a damaged card, probably almost instantaneously. It's cards like this that really start to drive, and because the real key is knowing what cards actually sell fast on Whatnot. That's the whole key, and getting momentum, getting on your channel and everything like that. Now, if you want to start getting real sales on Whatnot and seeing what cards sell in general, whether it's Pokemon cards or any of those cards, for example, check out this video that's coming up here on the top right screen. If you'll watch that video, I break down exactly what cards sell the best and sell fast on Whatnot. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.